How to set distance on Bumble. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to set distance on Bumble. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to install the Bumble app on your mobile phone. Once you've done that, you open it and this is what you're gonna see on your screen. At the top left corner of your screen, you see 3 lines. You can click on it to choose a connection. So you have to choose either a date connection or a BFF connection. So this is very important because this will determine the kind of people that are going to connect to you on Bumble. So if you're on the date connection, people that are ready for date would be the one to connect to you. But if you're on the BFF connection, people that are ready to make friends and find community are those that would connect to you. Okay, so basically Bumble is an app for online dating, online friendship, online relationship. So at the center of the screen, the upper part of your screen, you see a round circle showing your name, showing your profile picture first in the round circle. Then at the bottom of the round circle, you see your username on Bumble with your age. Okay. Also at the top right corner, you see the settings icon. You can click on it and just know what you can find on the settings icon. Okay. Let me click on it. So there are several things you can see on the settings icon. You can explore it. Okay. So you also see you see 2 options. You see the my paid plan option, then the safety and well-being option. So you can just explore those options. Under the pay plan option, you see several options that you can offer that you can subscribe to on Bumble to give you to have access to some features on Bumble. Then under the safety and well-being option, you see several things that Bumble can help you to prevent, because they're also particular about your well-being and your safety. So they can help you to prevent mental exhaustion, help you prevent the feeling of rejection, help you prevent the harmful behavior, and so on. Okay, so you can just scroll down the page to know what the benefits you would get under the safety and well-being option. So now back to the question, how to set distance on Bumble. So what you do is you take a look at the upper part of the screen. That's the top right corner where the settings icon is. You click on the settings icon and you wait for the settings page to load on your screen. Here under the settings page, you see the choose mode. You choose the date mode or the BFF mode. So you can just scroll down the page to get to the option set distance. Once you see the option set distance, you click on it, then you set whatever distance that you want to have on your Bumble app or your Bumble account. Okay, so just make sure you go through it thoroughly so you see the option set distance. So it's very simple. Okay, you can try it out. So this is simply how to set distance on Bumble. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.